Dear BTC-Alpha users, today we announce about the launch of a new unique service, transfers. Transfers are a secure movement of assets between traders within the exchange, which can be compared with the principles of bank transfers. Key advantages are instant transfers, security, zero fees in honor of launch. How to create a transfer? Go to Transfers tab. Choose necessary currency. Enter amount and UID of the user on the exchange and click Create Transfer. You can also add a security code for the transfer. Pay attention, when sending transfers with a secure code, you need to save it and send it to the recipient. For security reasons, BTC-Alpha exchange does not store security codes and does not display them in transfers history. How to get a transfer? Transfers without security codes are activated automatically. If you have received a transfer with a security code, click Accept in the Transfer History tab and enter the security code. The transfer will be completed and your balance will be replenished. If the transfer was not accepted before the end of the period specified by the sender, or you entered the security code incorrectly 10 times, the funds will be returned to the sender. How to cancel a transfer? Transfers without a security code and activation period are completed instantly and cannot be cancelled. That is why we recommend that you carefully check the data before sending an instant transfer. The sender can cancel the transfer with a security code if the recipient's activation period expired or if the recipient entered the wrong security code more than 10 times. To cancel transfer with a security code, you need to go to the transfer history and click Cancel. Transfers is a new tool for BTC-Alpha users, so you can ask our technical support department any questions about using them. Use instant transfers and always stay ahead with BTC-Alpha.